Wow, this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can have two Skype messenger in your same phone. This is Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. So you can download two Skype in your same phone. You can use two Skype accounts. So here we go, we have one Skype account, we want one more. So here from your phone, slide down from the top. Here you have setting button, hit this one. In setting you have to go down and you have to find this option. It's called advanced feature, hit this one. In the advanced feature you have to go to dual messenger option, hit this one. In dual messenger you see Skype is one. I hit this button here. At the bottom is say install another Skype or duplicate Skype. I hit install. It's downloading and copying in Skype is done here. I go outside. So you see I have two Skype in my same phone. I open the old one. I have to connect with one account and another one is similar. I have to connect another account. So you can use two accounts in the same phone with two Skype, guys. Amazing. So this is the way you can have two Skype in your same phone. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye.